Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can make a stencil directly from the machine. There's a little section here which has stencil designs, and there was a rose one I saw, this one. Okay, I'm going to have a go at this. You can obviously change the size of this as well, directly on the machine. So that looks, yeah, that's fine for my size, so I'm going to select cut, but before I press start, I will just put my acetate sheet directly on the mat. Just make sure that's nice and square, give that a good push down. Acetate's quite thick, you're going to be using your standard blade, and hit start, and away it goes. So this was absolutely fine. My hand there is because I got a bit nervous that my mat wasn't going to be sticky enough, being it's a very old mat, but it was fine, and it's cut through the stencil perfectly. It's just a few little bits that didn't quite pop out that I just remove here with my little pokey tool. And then I mean, I'm not very good at colouring, but I did this for you to show you. So just use some felt tips there. Stencil's made.